front of a iQ228 Cyclone. And if you have one of these things long enough, eventually you'll need to replace the motor brush. The motor is one motor which drives the vacuum and the saw. All right, so in order for you to get to the motor brush, make sure your dust tray is empty. This is fairly empty because you will need to flip the saw upside down. With the unit upside down, you will need a, I don't have a flathead screwdriver. Oh, here we go. Flathead screwdriver, stubby, to get to the brush caps. The brush caps are located on both sides. So unscrew it. Brushes should slide right out like so. And then do the same thing for the other side. To get to the other side, you might need to, I would normally just loosen this band clamp. To give you more room. Okay. Get to this side. And then remove the brush. Now to replace it, basically reverse the process. I would widen the ears a little bit. What this does is allows it to lock into place. So slide the brush into the slot. Then slide the ears into place. A little wide. Just tighten it a bit. Like so. With the spring fully depressed, slide the cap into place. And rotate clockwise to tighten. Use your flathead screwdriver. Do not over tighten. The bake light will overheat and then it'll be difficult to come out. So I would just snug it and then back it off a bit. Okay? And then do the same thing to the other side. With the spring fully depressed. Slide the cap in the position. And tighten. And snug and back off just a tad. All right, so that takes care of the brushes. Go ahead and reconnect the hose. Tighten the band clamp.